Welcome to my channel. I want to show you how you can make up to $450 on ChatGPT every month. Yes, I make a lot of money using ChatGPT, and this software, so many people have been using ChatGPT to make a lot of money in different ways. Now I'm going to show you a way that you'll be spending just 10 minutes on ChatGPT every day. Just 10 minutes maximum, 15 or 20 minutes of your time on ChatGPT website every day, and you're going to make over $450 every month. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, but please, before that, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Okay, now let's go straight to the point on how tutorial step by step. We're doing this step by step. I will show you step by step. Okay, I'm not going to miss anything, so you do this by yourself. You can use your mobile phone, you can use your laptop to achieve this. Okay, now let's go. Welcome once again. Let's talk about how you can make $25 to $50 with one article. Now, we are not going to write this article. ChatGPT is going to generate these articles for us. I'm going to show you a website where you will be posting these articles. Under the next 5 minutes, you are done writing just one article. Now you can make a whole lot of money. You can make between $300 to $1,000 every month. This could be a side hustle you can be doing for yourself. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop. Now we are on ChatGPT. Now I want ChatGPT to actually write a story for me. Now, ChatGPT is a software that can write anything you want ChatGPT to write for you. Okay. Now let's assume I want this software ChatGPT to write a story. Say write 800 words. Okay. A story about a man that was sacked and he decided to start his own business after his wife broke up with him, not knowing he was going to become a billionaire. Wow, I love this story title. Okay, now if I click on write, if you click on enter, you can see ChatGPT. I've actually started writing this story for us. This is wonderful, but make sure that the words this ChatGPT is going to generate for you is over 600 words, because they accept mostly articles or stories that are over 600 words. You can see what I posted there. Write 800 words. I want to make sure that it is over 600 words. If I want to stop it, I can actually stop it from here. If I don't want to stop it, let it continue generating. Okay, now it's still writing. Let's watch and see. Wow, now you can see ChatGPT have actually written even with a title. Look at this title: From Sack to Billionaire, a journey of what? A resilience and success. I love this title. Now look at the story. Everything is well arranged, well written with paragraphs. Okay, now the next we are going to do after ChatGPT actually generated this story for us is to copy this story for this icon here. You can see it here. Just click on this icon. You will now copy the whole story. The next website I want to show you is what? OnlineNotepad.org. What this website helps us to do is just to paste the story, go through it, edit it. In case you want to edit, you need to put some full stop or whatever you want to do on these articles or story. You can actually paste it here. Now once we are done, we score that everything is okay for us. All you need to do is Ctrl A on your system, or just highlight and copy everything. Okay, once we copy everything, we are now going to go to the next website that will be paying us huge amount of money, and that site is Vickpoint.media. Wow, this website have a monthly visitor of over 2.9 million people visit Vickpoint.media. And let me tell you one important thing to understand. People are making thousands of dollars every month publishing their articles on this website, and they get paid. Okay, let me show you. You can see this person have actually published 2 stories, 9 stories, 12 stories. You can see 62 stories, 96 stories. People are publishing articles, and what I'm about to show you is something you can do within 5 minutes. So at least, no matter what you are doing, whether you are doing business or you're working, this cannot stop you from doing this. You can make extra money. Okay, extra money for yourself. Now what you need to do is sign up on Vickpoint.media using your email address. It's a global website, which means they are accepting every country. No matter the country where you are, you will be accepted. Okay, now once you log in after your registration, just go to create story. Once you click on create story, it is definitely going to bring you to this page where you will see title and subtitle. Okay, we are going to click here and put on the subtitle, we're going to paste that story. Okay, now we're going to copy this title here. I'm going to actually cut it, okay, because it's not part of the subtitle. This is actually going to be our title. We are going to paste it on the title. Now we're going to remove that word title because this is what ChatGPT generated for us. Giving us the title, you can see From Sack to Billionaire, okay, a journey of a resilience and success. I love this story because you can see everything is well written. Now, remember we are going to attach an image to this story before we publish it, okay? Now, we are actually going to use Unsplash, which is already partnering with Voco.media, because if you decide to download an image from Google, remember you might have a copyrighted image which they might end up rejecting your story. So what you're going to do is either if you have your own image that you snapped or you have for yourself which is original owned by you, you can either upload it, but we are going to use Unsplash image. Okay, now once you click on Unsplash, I'm actually going to search the kind of image that I want. We might type success image, because we're actually talking about a man that succeeded in his business. Okay, let's assume I want a success image. Okay, this didn't give me what I want. I think I didn't get. Let's click on search. Wow, now you can see this place. Now let's assume I want to use an image like this, like a company, because we say he actually started his own business and he became a billionaire. If I decide to use this, any of these two images, I might start to use this particular image down here. If I click on that image, okay, you can see it. I will click on save changes. Okay, now I've actually save successful. You can see now my articles, my story is actually being everything is now well organized, even including the image. You're going to see the image below after the story. You can see the image that I use here. Now once I click on submit for review, it simply means I'm submitting to this Voco.media for them to check for review. Once they review it and they accept it, they are going to publish that article. And once the article is being published, once people are reading these articles, I will be making money from it. They are paying, at least for every 1,000 views, you get paid. You can earn up to $400 publishing articles. But if you really want to make a huge amount of money on this website, if you really want to make a lot of money using ChatGPT, then learn to publish at least more articles. For example, if you can publish at least up to 5 to 10 articles every day, it will definitely help you to have more articles or more stories on your dashboard. Now imagine that you're publishing 10 stories. You can see that we actually achieved this in less than 4 minutes, publishing just one article, one beautiful story article. This, okay, now it simply means if I start to at least do this for 1 hour every day, I might end up publishing up to 15 articles. Okay, let's assume I want to publish just 10 articles every day. In 1 month, we'll be having at least 300 articles. That will give you that edge, that will give you that opportunity for you to have more stories for people to read and for you to make more money. Now let's go to similarweb.com to check about about Voco.media. Now you can see this website was founded in 2016. Okay, that's about 7 years right now. Now they have, you can see their ranking. They have about 2.7 million visits every month. So this is a popular website. People are actually visiting to make good amount of money using Voco.media. Okay, now see the countries that are visiting this Voco.media. See the top ranking country. You can see here, for example, you can see that United States have about 29.76% of the monthly visits coming towards Voco.media. You can have India is about 7.9%. You can see United Kingdom, you can see Brazil, you can see Nigeria, and then other countries have about 49%. But at least more than half of the visitors of the traffic coming to Voco.media comes from United States, India, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Nigeria, because people there are actually making good amount of money from Voco.media. Now ask yourself question if US are actually going to this website, because they have about almost 30% of the monthly visitors on this website comes from United States. You know, we all know how America is, and Americans are actually going to this site to make money. That means they're actually paying. People are making good amount of money. So this is the reason why you need to visit vocal.media using ChatGPT. You can make a lot of money. Okay, you can say rewrite these stories if you want to rewrite. If let's assume that ChatGPT have generated this story and I want to rewrite this story to make it more original, I can start to use phrase.io, or I will use Spinbolt. Okay, take a look at here. You can see here over 83,093 stories have been published. These humans, you can see 62,474 stories have been published on journal. People are publishing every blessed day. So this is the reason why you need to please start up this. Make sure you publish every day and you can make good amount of money for yourself. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Please, if you like this video, kindly like the video, drop your comment. If you have any question, we are definitely going to answer you. Okay. Once again, my name is Ikechukwu Cornelius. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Ikechukwu Cornelius. This is over 13 years of offering tutorial and training people on how to make money online. Once again, thank you for stopping by.